Hello big and small friends, and welcome to Live Discovery. Today we'll be learning how to thank somebody. Let's get started. Hi. It's important to spread joy. We can do this in different ways. We can do this when we smile at somebody, when we make eye contact, or when we say thank you. Let's play a game. I will start and you can answer me. Please may I have the pencil? Thank you. Now it's your turn. There you go. You're welcome. Let's try one more time. Please may I have the pencil? Thank you. Now you try. Here you go. You're welcome. Now you can practice this with all your friends and family and in your local community and spread joy everywhere you go. Thank you for being with me today. I hope to see you soon. Bye.